thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, southeastern Scott County, north central Rice County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Savage, or 15 miles southwest of Minneapolis, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnsville, Lakeville, Apple Valley, Savage, Prior Lake, Rosemount, Farmington, Webster, Elko New Market, Credit River, Castle Rock, and Hampton. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 70 and 80. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is Weather Radio.